Hi everyone. Now in this video we are going to learn one more development of surface, that is cylinder. In the previous tutorials we saw the prisms as well as the pyramid development. Now we are looking at cylinder. As all of you are aware that a cylinder is having two bases, upper base and lower base, which is of circular shape connected with the generators. When the observer views from this side, front view appears as a rectangle, top view appears as a circle. When I start unfolding it, how it looks like? You can see here cylinder, upper base and lower base. When I start cutting one side and then unfolding, the complete surface of the cylinder looks like a rectangle, upper base and lower base. So what I can say is that when you cut cylinder at one portion and then unfold it, the surface looks like a rectangle, and then the upper base and lower base as the same, like which are of circular shape. You can get a question, then what is the length of this one? The length of this one is nothing but the perimeter of the circle, perimeter circumference of the circle, pi d. Now let us draw the same in the AutoCAD. First, before going to construct the development, let us draw the orthographic projections. In the question, they gave a cylinder of dia 80 mm and height 100 mm. Let's take circle C, specify center point, radius 40 mm. Okay, top view got completed. Now we'll draw the front view, draw the projectors, and now let us draw the axis. Axis is 100 mm. So I am drawing one more generator and I am drawing one more generator, which are the extreme generators. Now let me draw the upper base, let me draw the lower base. Okay, now we'll give the line weight to all these things because these are clearly visible to the eyesight. And this one represents the axis, is already we loaded axis of the cylinder. Perfect. Now let's give the notation. This is the upper base, so A and B. Lower base is 1 and 2. Diameter, I am saying diameter. AB is the diameter, 1, 2 is the diameter. And coming to here, A dash and then B dash. And coming to lower base, 1 dash and then 2 dash. So successfully we completed the orthographic projections. To draw the development, as I said, when I unfold it, the surface of the cylinder looks like a rectangle. The length will be circumference of the circle pi d, and height will be the height of the cylinder. Now how to do this one? So to calculate the circumference of the circle, no need of any external calculator. You can use the calculator which is included in the AutoCAD. Type CALC, calculator, CALC, enter. Now let's type pi into, what is the diameter? 80. Pi into 80 equals to, answer is 251.32. Let me draw this one. Pi d is 251.32. So take a line. Instead of line, take a polyline. 251.32. Height is 100 mm. 100 mm. 251.32, and then just close it. Perfectly we drawn the lateral surface of the cylinder. As in the question, they asked about the complete development. What you can do is that Ctrl C, Ctrl V, just paste it here. Connect it at some point. So we drawn the lower base. Now let's draw the same upper base also. copy, yeah. It's time to give the line weight for this one also. DAL. $251.32 is the PID. Perfect. Let's give the notations. Upper 1 A, B 1 2. Sorry, AB 1 2. This one be A 1. That's it. We completed the development of the cylinder. You can give the notations, sorry, dimensions for this one also. With this we finish the development of the cylinder. That's it.